Hello, I'm Laure, an Ayurvedic diet and lifestyle coach and a plant-based healthy cooking chef. And I help women lose weight sustainably and permanently by shifting from a restrictive diet approach to a healthy digestion and lifestyle approach. So now we know that lifestyle, food habits, and choices help us lose weight more efficiently and permanently than counting calories. So why do we keep counting calories? Well, really, because of habit. It's a seemingly quick fix to a problem that really requires a mindset shift. We need to shift from short-term approach to long-term approach, from dieting to lifestyle, from instant gratification to fulfillment, and from restriction to balance. I find interesting what Dr. Gartner, who oversaw the research I mentioned in the last video, said to the New York Times, and I quote, "The people who lost the most weight reported that the study changed their relationship with food. They no longer ate in their cars or in front of their television screens, and they were cooking at home." In the upcoming online weight loss group coaching program, you learn the tools to live a life of good health and sustainability. And really, weight loss happens almost effortlessly. Be sure to sign up for the live Q&A if you'd like to talk about how this can work for you. Thank you for watching.